Alright, so to begin with, we need Chex Mix and powdered sugar, and the orange candy melts that are vanilla flavored, and then some pumpkin pie spice, some cinnamon, and then we also need a large bowl and a spoon and a bag for shaking it up. You're going to begin with 8 cups of cinnamon Chex Mix, and then you're going to melt your candy melts in 20 to 30 second intervals until it's all nice and melted. And then you're going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and stir. Then you'll add it to your Chex Mix, and then you're just going to stir it well, stir carefully so you don't break it into tiny pieces. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar to a bag and 1 extra teaspoon there of cinnamon. Shake it up, and then we're going to pour in our mix and just get it all nice and shaken up. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to lay it out on wax paper and allow it to dry and enjoy. Don't forget to follow A Charming Abode on YouTube, Instagram, and like my Facebook page.